Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing on an item that I think is so instrumental and has made so many waves in the planner community, and that is a pen gem. I am so excited to be unboxing and basically showing you all my very first pen gem, what I think of the brand, what I think of the product, and just an overall review if we're being honest. So if you want to see my new pen gem and see what kind I got, go right into the video. So before we get into the unboxing, I do kind of want to talk about the brand because I did have some kind of complications, and not necessarily with buying the pen gem, but I will say before I did make a purchase on their site, I did my research. I have been on the site a few times before I actually decided to purchase one, and I will say that every time I have been on the site, there have been so many pen gems or pens that they sell that are not available. And that did kind of throw up a red flag for me, because I think if you have your own site domain and you're separate, we have those shops that we like to look at on Etsy that sell tons of planner stuff, and then you have those that are kind of their own entities. And I think if you're your own entity, you should be a little bit better about keeping stock in your shop. And also, there's a whole section on their website that you can go and see the pens they have in stock right then. So I did think it was kind of sad that so many times they have pens out of stock that they have to have a whole separate section on their website of just pens that are in stock. So I do think they kind of need to work on that a little bit, but I'm not going to judge quite yet, and I do kind of want to see what the pen gem is like. So let's see what the actual presentation is. Okay, so it came in a pack like this, and it does look very similar to a pack you would get if you were getting stickers or if you were ordering off of an Etsy shop. And on the back there is a cute little sticker that says Happy Mail. Let's rip into this thing. Oh goodness, I see it. Okay, so the first thing I take out, oh, this is so cute. It says pen gems, and it says Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I guess that's what they are on Facebook, on Instagram, and Twitter. Oh, the back says, I like your hair. So this is just a little sheet that they gave me that I thought was super cute. Oh, I guess you can use the hashtag pen gems, and that'll come up. Put that right there. Then there's the most adorable paper clip that comes with it. Oh, y'all know I love really fancy and fun paper clips. And then I'm guessing this is my receipt. Yes, this is just a packing slip, and it says thank you Kennedy in pen, so that means somebody specially wrote that, and I just love little details like that. So let's see what else is in the box. So next we have my pen. Oh my goodness, look at that packaging. That is so pretty. That is so gorgeous. And then I think there was one more thing in here. Yes, it's the last thing. Refill. So there's just a little pack, and it says ballpoint refill. I don't know much about that, so I have to kind of see how that works. But this packaging is everything. Let's open it up and just kind of see. Oh goodness. Okay, this is really gorgeous. Show y'all. So this is what the pen looks like. It is their standing ovation pen, and if you have seen the video from last week, which was, I think I did a first impressions on the Sugar Paper LA Agenda. Yes, first impressions on the Sugar Paper LA Agenda. I'll make sure I link that down below. The theme of it is kind of gold, so I saw this pen and I was like, that would be perfect with that planner. So I bought it, and I think, yes, just what I thought. You twist like this part right here, and the pen comes out, and you twist it again, and the pen goes back in. Oh my goodness, y'all. The pen is absolutely gorgeous. So now that I have unboxed it and fully just looked at it. This is a gorgeous pen. I can see why their company does so well and why so many people trust them and use Pen Gems, because I mean, this is gorgeous. Where can you find a super fun pen like this that looks really nice and I bet works really well, and I will test that out too, and also it has like fun little gems in it. Like, that is fun. That's cool. So I am going to do a writing test on the back of my receipt, so let's see how it writes. So I just wrote my name in cursive, and there's no special part about the ink in this pen. It's basically just a regular pen, but I love the design of it. And also, when you guys watch my video on my first impression of the Sugar Paper LA agenda, you will see that the paper is thin, and I kind of need a pen that is exactly like this because I didn't want to use a pen that had too much ink and that was going to bleed through. This is going to be phenomenal for my new agenda. So, in overall impressions of Pen Gems, I think that they are a great brand who is doing some incredible things, and still very wary about their inventory, but I know they're going to get it together. So, thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it was short, sweet, to the point, but it's Father's Day, and I want to spend time with the people that I love. So, you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, guys.